how to create student and admin welcome and progress and completion notifications inside Thinkific. Hello, I'm Sarah Cordiner. I'm one of the approved Thinkific experts, and in here I'm going to show you how to create notification emails that go out to your students and to you to let you know what's going on. So all you're going to do is go into your Thinkific dashboard, go to support your students, then click on notifications, and it will take you to the notifications area. So there are a number of two different spaces actually, first of all, that you can work with. The first area is the student notification area. So these are email notifications that your students receive. And then there is the admin notification area. These are automated emails that you receive. So underneath your student notifications area, there are a number of settings that you can turn on or off and edit how you wish. So the first one is the site welcome email. This is when somebody joins your site. They don't necessarily join a course. They just sign up to your site and basically become a member on your email list or your contact list inside your Thinkific dashboard. So this email will say something like, hello and welcome to my Edupreneur Academy. It's great to have you here. Here's the link to all of the courses that I have, something like that. You can also turn on weekly reminders. So this will automatically email your students once a week if they have not completed a course saying, hello, Sarah, I noticed that you haven't completed your How to Bake a Cake course yet. Here's the link. Don't forget to keep on learning. Now, by pressing edit, you can actually edit these and customize these to have anything in it that you want at all. You can turn on notifications to your students if somebody replies to their discussion comments, and you can automatically send them receipts of payment as well, which is definitely a good one to turn on. You can also create automations, emails for welcome to the courses. So if they buy a course, you can turn on emails for the individual courses. So for instance, let me show you what this looks like. You can click on edit. If you join one of my courses, this can be sent out to you. So it will say, welcome, you are now enrolled in the course, and it will pre-fill the course name for them. And it will have their first name pre-filled in for them. Welcome, thank you for enrolling in the course. It will pre-fill the course name. Here's your link. Here's your URL. Thank you from me. And all these areas are completely pre-filled in. You could even add in things like, come and join my Facebook group, or, here's how to have a coaching call with me, anything else that you want at all. And that goes completely automatically without you having to do anything. How good is that? So, this is where you also don't need to have email marketing software. If you're just starting out and you don't have the budget to, you can use this for now until you need to get yourself into a more sort of advanced level of student communication. So you have your course welcome emails. You also have course completion emails as well. So if a student finishes your course, you're going to want to send them something to say, congratulations, well done, here's what's next. Maybe upsell them to something else in that particular email as well. So just press them onto yellow to turn them on, press edit to customize them to what you want. Now, in terms of the notifications that you receive, just click on admin notifications. And again, you can get notified if somebody signs up to your school, if they're just a lead, if they put in their email address but don't necessarily sign up to anything, if they have commented in your community areas, if they've submitted assignments. There's all different types of notifications that you can receive simply by turning them on or off. How simple is that? Super easy for you to stay in touch with your students, wow them with a great customer experience, do it all automatically so that you look amazing. If you'd like any help with setting up your Thinkific account, I can help you do that. Go to sarahcorn.com/services and I can help you get you set up and running. Bye for now.